Understanding RNA-Seq data. Analysis for beginners. RNA-Seq data analysis has become one of the most powerful approaches for exploring gene expression at a genome-wide scale. For beginners, understanding how RNA-Seq data is generated and analyzed is the first step toward meaningful biological insights. Preparing RNA-Seq data analysis from raw sequencing reads. RNA-Seq data analysis begins with raw sequencing reads produced by high-throughput platforms. These reads must be assessed and prepared before any biological interpretation can take place. Quality evaluation ensures that sequencing artifacts, adapter sequences, or low-quality regions do not interfere with downstream analysis. Once processed, clean RNA-Seq reads provide a reliable foundation for accurate alignment and expression profiling, making this preparation step essential for beginners learning RNA-Seq data analysis. Alignment and quantification in RNA-Seq data analysis. After pre-processing, RNA-Seq data analysis moves to alignment or transcript quantification. Sequencing reads are mapped to a reference genome or transcriptome to determine where each RNA fragment originates. This step translates raw data into measurable gene or transcript expression values. Interpreting results in RNA-Seq data analysis. Once expression levels are quantified, RNA-Seq data analysis focuses on interpretation. Differential expression analysis highlights genes whose expression changes across conditions, while downstream analyses reveal biological patterns and functional relevance. For beginners, this stage demonstrates how RNA-Seq data analysis supports hypothesis generation and exploratory research by connecting expression changes with biological processes, pathways, or regulatory mechanisms. RNA-Seq data analysis solutions from BOC Sciences. For researchers beginning RNA-Seq data analysis or seeking advanced support, BOC Sciences offers a wide range of RNA-related products and RNA-Seq data analysis services. These include RNA research materials, sequencing workflow support, and customized data analysis solutions tailored to specific research needs. BOC Sciences also supports RNA-focused research services connected to transcriptomics and molecular biology studies. Researchers interested in RNA-Seq data analysis solutions can contact BOC Sciences to explore flexible, research-oriented support options.